How to download GTA Vice City on PC. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser. And you have to move into the site of rockstargames.com. It will be landing you on the official page of Rockstar Games. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Now what you want to do is tap on the search icon right beside your profile. And then you have to type in GTA Vice City. Tons of different games will be visible to you. Scroll down and search for the specific game that you would like to download. Over here you can see GTA Vice City. Click on it. So first of all, you should know that this game is not for free. You have to pay a certain amount in order to download it. To continue this process, at the top, tap on Buy Now. Now once again you have to click on Buy Now over here. Select your specific payment method. Let me click on debit or credit card. Now enter your card detail information, as in your card number, expiration date, and CVV number. Once you are done entering all the information, tap on Continue. Once the payment has been done, the option of download will be visible to you. All you want to do is click on it and then download the game on your device. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can download GTA Vice City on PC. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.